Hello everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever walked into a home that looked like it belonged in a luxury interior design magazine? The surprising part is that many of those homes didn't have unlimited budgets. They simply used smart design techniques. In today's video, I'm sharing 15 simple tricks that actually work to make your home look more expensive in 2026. Most of these ideas are affordable, easy to apply, and can completely transform your space. Let's get started. Home trick number 1: choose a warm neutral color palette. Luxury homes are moving away from cool gray tones. Instead, designers are using warm white, cream, beige, greige, and soft taupe. These colors create a calm, elegant atmosphere and make every room feel brighter and more inviting. Light bulb trick number 2: layer your lighting. Don't rely on one ceiling light. Combine pendant lights, table lamps, floor lamps, and wall sconces with warm LED bulbs. Layered lighting instantly creates a cozy, high-end atmosphere. Couch and lamp trick number 3: invest in quality throw pillows. Luxury living rooms often feature textured cushions made from linen, velvet, or boucle fabrics. Mix different sizes and textures while keeping the color palette consistent. Wood trick number 4: add natural materials. Wood, marble, stone, linen, rattan, and ceramic accessories instantly add warmth and sophistication. Natural textures never go out of style. Framed picture trick number 5: use oversized wall art instead of several small pictures. Choose one large statement artwork above your sofa or bed. Large-scale art makes a room feel professionally designed. Herb trick number 6: decorate with greenery. Indoor plants instantly make a home feel fresh and alive. Choose olive trees, fiddle leaf figs, snake plants, or eucalyptus for a timeless look. Door trick number 7: upgrade cabinet hardware. Replacing old cabinet handles with brushed brass, matte black, or bronze hardware is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. It's inexpensive but creates a dramatic difference. Mirror trick number 8: use large mirrors. Mirrors reflect natural light and make rooms appear much larger. Place one opposite a window for the best effect. Package trick number 9: hide everyday clutter. Luxury homes always feel organized. Use decorative baskets, storage boxes, hidden cabinets, and trays to keep everyday items out of sight. A clutter-free room instantly feels more expensive. Candle trick number 10: style with decorative accessories. Less is more. Use a few carefully chosen items like candles, coffee table books, ceramic vases, and decorative bowls instead of filling every surface. Thoughtful styling creates elegance. Window trick number 11: hang curtains higher. Install curtain rods close to the ceiling instead of directly above the window. Long, floor-length curtains make ceilings appear taller and rooms feel much larger. Fork and knife with plate trick number 12: keep kitchen counters minimal. Designer kitchens rarely display everything. Keep only beautiful essentials like a wooden cutting board, coffee station, fruit bowl, and a vase with greenery. A clean countertop always looks luxurious. Bed trick number 13: upgrade your bedding. Your bedroom instantly feels like a luxury hotel when you use crisp white bedding, textured throws, decorative pillows, and soft lighting. Quality bedding creates comfort and elegance. Paint palette trick number 14: mix textures instead of colors. Rather than using many bold colors, combine different textures. Mix linen, wood, glass, metal, woven baskets, and soft fabrics to create depth and interest. Sparkles trick number 15: leave some empty space. One of the biggest designer secrets is knowing when to stop decorating. Every shelf, table, and wall doesn't need to be filled. Leaving empty space allows your favorite decor pieces to stand out and gives your home a calm, luxurious feeling. As you've seen, making your house look expensive isn't about spending more money, it's about making smarter design choices. Focus on warm colors, quality materials, layered lighting, natural textures, and thoughtful styling, and you'll create a home that feels elegant, welcoming, and timeless. Which of these 15 tricks are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home decor inspiration, luxury interior design ideas, and modern decorating tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Home luxury isn't about spending more, it's about designing smarter.